I'm Rebecca from Manage Engine Full Stack Observability. I'm a market development lead, and I'm happy to be here at Nigeria's ITCon 2026. Manage Engine's global innovation in synergy with Tranter IT's local presence, their face creates a very unique synergy because we have the technology for it, and Tranter has the pulse of the Nigerian market, and it solves a beautiful problem for us because at the end user side, the end user has a face to connect, and Tranter is that phase for Manage Engine in Nigeria, and they're able to help us as Manage Engine position the right products as a fit for the right kind of clients and the organization with with the right price point that we offer with cutting edge technology with the integrations and the way that Manage Engine solutions come bundled as a package. It's very easy for us to crack the Nigerian market because we want to give you the value for the naira that you spend. So with Manage Engine and Tranter together, that is guaranteed for you. Looking at the crowd today at ITCon Nigeria 2026, we see the crowd is excited to learn more, and everyone's talking cybersecurity, everyone's talking AI, and I think it's the right place at the right time to be because the questions were so knowledgeable. The crowd just knew exactly what they had to ask. It's like they came prepared with the questions. They were very attentive, stayed through all of the sessions, even when some of it got a little techie, a lot of jargon every now and then that happens. But the crowd was very, very engaging and very responsive. I can see that the market, Nigerian market, is very ready for digital transformation, if not already embraced it. And I think digital first has become the approach, be it in terms of being ready on virtual environments, cloud, or just digital transformation from the usual pen, paper, desk jobs. I think Nigeria is already there, and it's beautiful to see this great expedited move in the Nigerian market.